I wonder what Major Rad is doing right now.
Meanwhile...
Hey girl, how you
Are you
doing?
high? Unbelievable.
Okay. I'll just leave in my $50 million jet.
Ugly
Pussy.
ass.
Oh, how do you fly this? What's the button? Alright, here it is. Here we go.
2 seconds later.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Loud and proud, like my gay cousin.
Spin the wheel and yeah. Did you really have to shoot that guy?
Out a window. Let's
Turn you to being done.
go. Who's snitch?
What?
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence.
Clip it.
Bring out.
And then you'll hear what I said.
Man.
Screw the Russians.
One of them? Oh, you're right there. Hey. Oh yeah.
Oh, hey.
Okay.
I don't know, just drive around. Yeah, you can still run me over.
What the hell? You did something weird. You're not dead.
Wait, let me invite you. Alright, ready? See this dead guy?
Yep.
Ow, my face.
That was kind of gay.
I got my new car, brand new from the shop.
It's my car now.
I thought you were gonna smash into it and just damage it.
Nah.
Ah, I love my new car.
What if I just... Oh.
My door!
I was trying to hit your door, but I hit the back, but it still knocked the door off. That's gay. There goes your door.
No, you brought it back!
I'm still alive.
You just blew my car up, you ass. Hey girls, how you doing? You like my underwear? Huh? What the? Ignore that guy, he's gay.
Oh, he just got punched her. Okay.
Get over here! Oh, the cops are checking out this guy that blew up.
That randomly blew up.
Hey, nice.
Oh,
What you been up to?
If you get too close to them, I think we're gonna...
What's up?
Let's see, actually. What's gonna happen?
Oh, what's up? Off duty, huh? Yeah, me too. I don't have nothing to do. Anyways, talk to you guys later.
Firemen are trying to leave.
This guy? Yeah, I blew him up.
He said, whoa.
But yeah, this guy right here, he's... I don't know. He's just kind of dead now. I think he was a good man. Huh?
He called you shit. What the hell? Why am I...
What are you gonna do, pussy? How do I get in?
What are you saying? Are you asking? Are you in?
Yeah.
Okay, can you fly? How do I get out of the cockpit?
Go up into the air.
Alright, there we go.
What's going on in there? I'm getting in. I'm coming in.
We're stuck.
What the hell is this? How did you do this? How did you even manage to do this?
You'll see.
Ow!
What happened?
I fell into the water.
I'll escape. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, that's my fault.
Oh, hey. You
What's
also
wrong with
fell?
the water? What's wrong with the water?
You're like wobbling around like a retard. Stream spoats, stream spoats, stream spoats.
Actually,
Woo!
nice.
Alright, yeah, let's look for train
Yes.
again.
Transgender.
Rain, are you in there? Oh shit! Go! No, 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 no! Okay, we're good. I did not see that coming. Alright, jump out. Wait, not yet.
Maybe if you flew it off.
Now jump out. Now jump out. Oh shit! Oh, shit.
I die. Alright, well. Hello. Oh, that was fun.
Wait, helicopter. Are you kidding me? It stopped working? No, don't go down. Are you kidding me? Come on, man.